In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the monday.com AI assistant. Let's get started by heading over to the monday.com website. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Click on that to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be presented with a couple of options to sign in. You can either choose to sign in with Google, which is often quicker if you're already logged into your Google account, or you can manually enter the email address you plan on using. After choosing your preferred method, if you selected the Google option, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Simply select the email address you'll be working with and you'll be logged in and ready to navigate through monday.com. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right hand corner of the page once more. You'll notice your profile image there. Click on this image to open a drop down menu and then select Administration. You'll find yourself in the administration page where you can make several customizations to enhance your experience. At this point, look for the customization panel, which should be on your left hand side, and select it. This will open a series of options and you'll want to find and click on features. Now as you scroll down, you'll see an option labeled Enable or Disable AI Features. Here you can toggle the AI functionalities on or off depending on whether you want them active in your workflows. To enable these features, simply select Enabled. With AI features now turned on, you can truly start to explore the possibilities of AI within monday.com. One of the most exciting aspects is utilizing the AI automations. To do this, look towards the upper right corner of your screen again for the Automate button and give it a click. With AI automations, you can now streamline and enhance your board's operations by selecting from a wide array of AI-powered templates. These templates are conveniently located on the left side of the screen under the AI-powered section. You will see several options tailored toward different automation needs. If one catches your eye and seems like the right fit for your board's requirements, click on Use the Template. This will seamlessly apply the automation setup to your board, allowing you to leverage AI in the most efficient ways possible. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to configure and employ the AI assistant on monday.com, making your workflow both smarter and more efficient. Feel free to explore more and see how these enhancements can be tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching.